Hi, I'm showing you how to put together our lantern style night lights. I use 3M double, sided adhesive for the front and the side faces of the ornament. The first step is just to remove the backing of the 3M and then apply the flex. This is a project in which there are at least, I think this has 3 pieces of flex. You just kind of get them straight, on. I use the ends of the piece to kind of guide putting them on. You can totally just use, one solid piece of flex, but I like the contrast of the different colors. So again, just put flex, on all of your front and side pieces. And that is your first step. This is another piece or side that has 2 different colors of flex. Once you have gotten flex onto your pieces in the front and side faces, then you can choose to add flex to the top and bottom. I do not add 3M adhesive to the tops and bottoms because they have sides that stick out from the main piece and are visible. I just use super glue and then I dab the excess super glue off with a piece of paper. Then you can start inserting your sides into the tops and bottom pieces. And for this particular piece, I just added flex to the top. I chose not to add flex to the bottom. The inserts can be however tight or loose you want. I provide test pieces for each size, and you can measure your thickness of wood, test the piece, determine how loose or tight you would like the piece to fit. I also like to have the ends of the nightlight covered. So for the bottom, I insert the actual nightlight before applying the bottom. That way I make sure the fit is correct. And I do use 3M adhesive on the tops and bottom pieces. So once you've secured the top and bottom piece, then you want to actually insert your nightlight. To do that, you want to sand the parts of the nightlight that are going to be glued to the actual lantern with at least 100 grit sandpaper, and then you can apply super glue to the parts that are going to be adhered to the actual lantern and insert the nightlight module into the slot where the lantern is. You'll want to remove the excess glue and get the nightlight straight before it is set. Thank you.